So now if we have to define management, what will you say about management? What is management? Management kya hai? Anyone? Now see, one of the definition given by a famous writer, that is called Kunz O'Donnell. Okay, what did he say? Management is the art of getting things done from others. That's called management. What is management? The art of getting things done from others is called what? Management. So that is the definition given by Kunz O'Donnell. Okay. So now, what can you say about this? What do you understand by this definition? Art of getting things done from others means what? You have that skill that you can convince someone to do your work. Okay, and that convincing skill is the art. So what do you understand by the meaning the term art? Art means what? Some skills that you are having, and the person who is possessing such skill is called what? An artist. For example, singer, dancer, musician, actor, director, writer, poet. Who are all these things? These persons, painter. They all are what? They are artists. Why? Because they all have certain some intellectual skill, and that's why they are known as what? Artist. So what a manager should have, he should have the skill or the art of getting things done from others, and that is called what? The management. Okay, that is one such definition of management. The other definition which is given over here is management is the art of knowing what you want to do. Okay, and then seeing that it is done in the best and the cheapest way. Okay, so first of all you must know that what you want to do, and then what will you do? You will try to do it in the best and cheapest way. What is the other term for this thing? To do something in a best and cheapest way. So what is it called? How have you done the work? When you are doing something in the best and cheapest way, then what can you say about that how have you done the work? So the other word for this best and cheapest way is in the most economical way. So when you are able to do something in the most economical way, we can say that we have done it in the best and cheapest way. So that's what the management is all about. Okay, so other definition of management that you can say, if you wish to, you just can write also that what is management. Management is the art of doing the things in the most efficient and, getting writing or not, management is the art of getting the things done in the most effective and efficient way, effectively and efficiently. That's called what? Management. So now what is the difference between being effective and being efficient? Being effective means what? Being effective means to do the things on time. That's called what? Being effective. And efficient means do the things in the most economical way. That means there should be optimum utilization of resources. So the resources should be used in the most optimum manner, and they should be used in such a way that it incurs minimum cost. So that is what called management. So understood. Second definition, which is given by George R. Terry. What is it? Management is a process consisting of planning, organizing, executing, and controlling, performed to determine and accomplish the objectives by the use of people and resources. Okay, so this is the definition given by George R. Terry, but you can write in your own way also. So here in definition we talked about what? We talked about planning. Okay, planning means what? That you know very well. Planning means to think something in advance. Okay, to decide the method of execution in advance. That how are we going to do a particular thing? Okay. Second is what? Organizing. So after planning, you need to organize all those things. Okay. Suppose as I told you that you are planning to go to Goa with your friends, so you need to organize all the infrastructure for them. You need to organize all the accommodation for them, all the traveling facilities for them. So you will do, the person who has actually taken the responsibility will do all the things. Okay. So it's what? organizing. That means coordination between what human resources and the material resources. That is what, when you're making the combination between these two, that is called what? Organizing. Then accounting. Accounting means what? Motivation. Actually, we can say accounting means motivation, or you can say guiding someone, or you can say that giving direction. So that direction can be autocratic also, and it can be democratic also. That means see, direction means can be, if you are only giving commands, that means you just have to do the things in a particular way only. That's called what? The, what you can say, automation. Okay, but you are, politely requesting someone, and taking the work from others in that pure, what you can say, polite way. So that is another form of directing. But ultimately, what is to be done after planning and organizing? You need to acute, that means motivate and direct them. And then yes, the very important thing is what? Controlling means. And when does the controlling is needed? When does the control, the question is, when does the control need? सो कंट्रोलिंग की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? कि जब आपका जो एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस है, आपने जो स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है उससे अलग जा रहा हो. मीन्स व्हेन देयर इज अ डेविएशन between the planning and actual execution. matlab if the things are not going according to your plan, then you need to control them. You need to get back to them as on track. बोलते हैं कि भाई वापस उसको ट्रैक पे लाना पड़ता है. कब ट्रैक पे लाना पड़ेगा? कि जब चीजें जो है वो प्लानिंग के हिसाब से नहीं जा रही. when it's not going according to the plan, then you need to control the things. So generally, in this sense, here we are talking about controlling means what? When the things do not go according to the plan, then we need what? Controlling. I hope you must have understood. So this is what the definition of management is all about. So you can write your own definition of management. ठीक है, बहुत सारी मैनेजमेंट की हमने डेफिनेशन डिस्कस की. जैसे एक हमने डिस्कस किया, अगेन जो थोड़ा सा मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ कि मैनेजमेंट की कौन कौन सी डेफिनेशन हमने डिस्कस की. नंबर वन, द सिंपलेस्ट वन, बट इट इज थोड़ा सा लेस कर्टेसी वाली डेफिनेशन जो लगती है, वो क्या है? द मैनेजमेंट इज द आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन फ्रॉम अदर्स. Okay, second one, we can say management is what? The management is the art of doing the things efficiently and effectively. Okay, then one which is given over here, management is knowing what to do, knowing in advance what to do, and then execute it. Okay, the best and the cheapest manner. Okay, and a universal definition, or very the definition which includes all the functions of management. So that definition is what? The management is planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the things. So that is the whole, this process is called what? Management, right?